Sustainability and elegance? Platio Solar Pavement provides both. Platio Solar Pavement is an innovative design building material. It's a double green product as it not only generates clean energy, but its frame is made of recycled plastic. As a result of years of continuous development, our product was reborn. Platio pavers received a new look and also a new structure. What makes the new Platio Solar different? For easier installation and transportation, the product has been updated. Apart from the technical details, we rethought the design. For a more aesthetic and stylish look, the frame received a darker color, emphasizing the high-tech aspect of the product, while some of the solar panel bus bars became invisible. Instead of the earlier two, Platio is made up of one part now, and the product also became lighter. For better durability, the edge of the frame surrounds the glass. We redesigned the connections and developed new spacers, which contributes to an aesthetic installation as the corners fit much better. With this innovation, Platio became easier to install even to terraces and roof gardens. And what remained the same? The high-quality solar cells and the outstanding performance. Thanks to these changes, transportation and installation got easier and the surface got more resistant. You are only one step away from a sustainable, greener future. Discover Platio Solar Pavements.